Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful Telegram trick, how to empower another member as an admin with almost owner-level privileges in your Telegram group. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how Telegram group management works, plus what you can and can't do when it comes to changing group ownership. If you're running a community, a project team, or even a family group chat, mastering these admin tools will help keep things organized and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're using the Telegram desktop app for this tutorial. So go ahead and open Telegram on your computer. Find and select the group you manage. It'll be listed in your chats on the left side of the screen. I like to double check I'm in the right group, especially if I have lots of different ones going on, so take a quick moment to confirm. Now to access the group settings, you'll need to click on the group name right at the very top. This brings up a profile panel where you can see group details, members, and settings. It's easy to overlook, but clicking here is key. It's like opening the control room for your group. Next up, look to the top right corner for the Edit button. It usually looks like a little pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you into edit mode where you can make all kinds of changes to the group, from its name and photo to member management. Take your time here, there's no rush. You want to be sure you're in the right spot before you make important changes. Scroll down until you see the Administrators tab. This is where you control who helps you manage the group. Hit that and you'll see a list of current admins, including yourself. Ready to add someone new? Tap the blue Add Admin button. Telegram will show you all the members of your group. Choose the person you want to promote to admin. Maybe it's a trusted friend, a colleague, or someone who's just really good at wrangling group chats. Select their name carefully. Now comes the crucial part, granting permissions. Telegram lets you toggle different privileges like add admins or change group info. To give someone near owner power, you'll want to turn on all these options. This gives them pretty much every administrative ability except for a few unique owner controls. Don't worry, Telegram makes it clear which powers you're granting so you won't accidentally hand over the reins. Once you're happy with your selections, tap Done to save. Now here's something important to know. Telegram doesn't let owners directly transfer ownership to another person. The group's creator holds a unique level of control, so all you can do is promote someone to have nearly all the same powers. Think of it like making someone a co-pilot, not the pilot. If you ever decide to step away and leave the group, Telegram will automatically pass control to the most senior admin unless your account gets deleted. But keep in mind, if that happens and there's no owner left, some core functions of the group might be lost. So always make sure you have at least one reliable admin in place if you're planning to step down. Sometimes this whole process can feel a bit nerve-wracking, especially if your group is very active or important. Take it slow, double-check each step, and remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to adjust permissions later. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop any questions you have down in the comments, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.